Hey everyone, are you trying to open Discord in Turkey, but it just won't load? Maybe the app is stuck, the website won't open, or nothing connects? You're not alone. Discord sometimes gets blocked or restricted in Turkey, especially during sensitive events or high traffic periods. In this video, I'll show you how to open Discord in Turkey step by step, using a safe, working method that actually works. I've also included a link in the description to NordVPN, the VPN I personally use to unlock Discord and other blocked apps. Sometimes Discord is completely blocked by internet providers in Turkey. This means you can't open the website or app. Voice and video calls fail to connect. Text messages don't send. This usually happens during protests or political events. But the good news is, you can bypass this block easily. A VPN or virtual private network is the best way to fix this. It changes your IP address, making it look like you're in another country. It encrypts your internet traffic, so your ISP can't block Discord. It restores full access to the app, text, voice, video, screen sharing. Now, not all VPNs work in Turkey. Many are blocked or too slow. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers built to bypass censorship, fast speeds for smooth Discord use, a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description and sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and download the NordVPN app. Step 3. Open the app and go to Settings. Turn on obfuscated servers. Step 4. Connect to a country like Germany, the US, or the Netherlands. Step 5. Now open Discord, and it should load and work like normal. Here are a few quick tips if you still can't get it to work. Switch to a different VPN server location. Restart the Discord app or your device. Clear Discord's cache, especially on desktop. Change VPN protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. One of these should solve the issue. And that's how you open Discord in Turkey, even if it's currently blocked. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Follow the steps to connect from a safe country. Enjoy full access to text, voice, video, and more. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free. Still have questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.